Here's how I got 850,000 subscribers on YouTube. So we're gonna start this off from day one. I had started a fitness business where I was going to be selling meal plans probably about 5 or 6 years ago. Now, after I had created the product, it came across the biggest problem. How am I gonna get people to know about this and wanna actually buy the product? So I literally Googled marketing tips online and found out that YouTube is actually a great place to go ahead and start marketing your products. So with all the ambition in the world, I went out, bought myself my very first camera, a Sony a5000 if I can remember correctly, but let's be honest, with iPhone quality cameras now, you can probably just use an iPhone and get away with it, and it'll still be better quality than my previous camera. So I literally had no strategy. I thought, okay, so this is a fitness product. I guess I'm gonna start making fitness videos. What type of content do I personally want to make? So I started filming about 2 to 3 videos every single week, just thinking from the very beginning of the day, what topic do I want to cover? Maybe I'll do this, maybe I'll do that. Again, zero plan at all. So this went on for a while. I'm talking 2 to 3 videos per week for about a year straight, and I saw damn near no results. It was frustrating, and honestly, at the end of that first year, I thought maybe I'm just gonna quit this. Maybe I personally just don't have what it takes to do this. Like, I was this close to quitting. Well, finally after that year and pushing past that point of wanting to quit, one of my videos finally started to take off, and it got to 10,000 views. And let me tell you, that first 10,000 view video I got, I was like, oh my God, maybe I can do this. It was wicked feeling. So what I noticed was that video was a follow along home workout. So I thought to myself, maybe I should go ahead and create more of these videos, seeing as, well, people are at least a little bit interested in it. So I kept making those videos. Every now and then I would throw in a new type of video in a new style. I was doing again about 2 to 3 videos per week. And let me tell you, when I was editing this all on my own, I had no idea how to edit, barely had any idea how to film. It was taking me a lot of time. Now, some videos would work, other ones would completely fail. And I'd just be sitting there like, what the hell is going on? Like, I'm putting in so much effort, but not all of these videos are working. Eventually, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna stick with doing these home follow along workouts because they were getting a significant amount of views and it wasn't that hard to make. And it was actually kind of enjoyable as well. So after following this process for another few months, I got to my next milestone, which was 10,000 subscribers. That feeling was so wicked. I was scrolling through my phone, refreshing the page. I'm talking like 50 or 100 times when I was at that like 9,980 subscriber mark just to see it hit 10K. Once I got that, that feeling was one of the best feelings I've ever had in the world. So after this strategy, I started looking up for this. I should have been doing this from the beginning, how to actually grow on YouTube, how to come up with viral videos, how to get more views. And one of the best tips that I found was to actually go ahead and reverse engineer success from other channels that are in your niche. So with this knowledge, I went and found the top creators in the fitness niche, filtered out their videos by the most popular videos, and then went ahead and saw, okay, this topic, that topic, a lot of them for fitness are gonna be belly fat, love handles, 6-pack abs, arm workouts, chest workouts. With this knowledge, I was like, well, I know exactly what I'm gonna do with this. So then I started putting out content that I just didn't come up with off the top of my head or that I wanted to do, but was actually looked for and searched for by the people that were interested in fitness content. And I stuck on this path. And then I got myself up to my next favorite milestone, 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. I even got that silver plaque somewhere downstairs right now, but that was wicked to actually do. And now looking back on everything that I did in those first 2 years, I made so many mistakes. And honestly, had I applied everything that I'm teaching you guys on my channel with my videos that I've already made, the videos that I'm going to continue to make for you, I would have been able to hit that 100,000 mark way sooner than I did with my previous channel. So from there, I started to focus on not just putting out as much content as I possibly could, but instead focused on trying to make the content as high of quality as I possibly could. I developed more skill on camera. I really paid attention to what other creators were doing who were already successful. Their cuts were good. The way they were explaining things were super clear. They were using text overlays, B-roll, good camera angles, and great audio. I then started to apply those things diligently to all of my videos, and that's when I started to grow up to that 200,000, 300,000, and 400,000 subscriber mark. So when this was happening, I was starting to get a lot of views on my channel every single day. My ad revenue started to go up. The sales of my products that I was releasing to my audience, because I would mention it in my videos, that started going up. I started getting sponsorships to feature certain products. And that's actually when I developed my long-term partnership that I currently have with EHP Labs. Not for this channel, obviously. This is for Barbarian Body. And it was at this point where I was really making a serious amount of income. This is when I first cracked the 6-figure mark. And I just want to make mention too, at about that 100,000 subscriber mark, that was when I was fully able to quit my job that I had at the time and actually focus on YouTube full time. And let me tell you, that feeling right there was the sickest thing. Being able to work for yourself, making content on YouTube, helping out tons of people, wicked feeling. Working from home, loved it. Still love it to this day. So all in all, my Barbarian Body channel, at the point that it is now with 850,000 subscribers, has made me several hundreds of thousands of dollars from things like ad revenue, sponsorships, my product sales, and partnerships, affiliate programs, all together. It is wicked. So the moral of the story is, one, I wanted to show you what the progress is like, what it feels like to actually succeed at this, and also remind you, you're going to suck when you first start, but you can really reduce the amount of time that you are going to suck at this and get yourself to the level where you can actually quit whatever job you're working at, make this thing your full-time career, and do it a lot faster than I did if you start learning about how to get more views, how to create great content, how to really brand yourself. And that is everything that I hope to do and hope to share with you on the Hypergrow YouTube channel. So there you guys go. I hope this story really motivates you and inspires a lot of you to, 1, get started, 2, stay committed, and 3, get you to accelerate your results so you don't have to spend as long as I was getting damn near nowhere and almost quitting. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, then be sure to smash that like button down below and also be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.